Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block and unblock someone on Snapchat. If you are using Snapchat and you want to block or unblock anyone on your Snapchat app, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Snapchat app and then select the person which you want to block. In my case, I'm going to select the first one. So you have to go ahead to this section, the profile page of the person, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And here you just have to look for the option of manage friendship, and then you will find the option of block. You have to simply select the block option, then you will get the pop-up for confirmation. You have to select block again, and the person will be blocked and deleted from this page. Once you have blocked anyone, now let's see how can you unblock them. You have to simply tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, and here tap on the settings in the top right corner. And now you just have to scroll down and look for the blocked user. Here's the privacy control, and here's the block users. You have to select that option, and here you will get all the persons you have blocked. You have to keep a tab on it, and here you will get the cross option. You have to select that, then tap on yes, and once you have done, the person will be unblocked. So in this way, you can easily block or unblock someone on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.